place for now. For now. Oh, look at that smile. Good work, girls. Very precise. Good job. Go Birds. First place so far, 74.8 centimeters.
Wait, Carson, what if we bet him in the like square?
Hello, girls. You having fun?
Yeah. This is the best it's gonna get.
Oh, look at that. That is so cool.
I'm not putting anything on top.
What do you call that? Neat. I like it. Hey, guys.
Now look at the camera.
Okay.
Oh, that's good. Can you get it to stand for 15 seconds?
Well, if it falls and then it crashes on the border of the sidewalk. Wait, can I get it?
It's good, guys. Getting there. Got something good going here. I like it. I like it. First lab of the year. First lab of the year, the Paper Tower Challenge. I'll be right there. Say hi to YouTube, everybody.
Hey. Like and subscribe.
Okay, go ahead.
Make sure to like and subscribe.
What would you like to say to yourself, to your future self on June 1st?
Leave. Never come back.
Leave, never come back.
I like bananas.
Then there are spills and slips and falls.
This place is a death trap.
No, not at all.
Go Birds. They gonna win tonight? Bet. Guys are locked in.
Mr. Win.
I'll be right there to measure it. Yep. That looks good. First place so far. Yes, sir. Oh yeah. Yeah, definitely. Good teamwork, guys. Teamwork. Count to 15. I'll measure it in a moment. Guys are doing good. Doing good. Oh. You're good. You're good. Yes. Yeah. 1 second.
Subscribe.
How you doing? You having fun?
Pretty good.
Guys are doing good.
Yeah.
Doing good. How you guys doing?
That's what I'm saying. Oh. We don't need that.
You guys having fun?
Yeah, we're having fun. So much fun.
Doing
I love
good.
working with Joel so much. Joel's the best partner to have. Yeah, Joel, you're so good.
Joel is the man.
Joel's the man.
One of the men.
Yeah, he's a Patriot.
What?
I don't even like the Patriots.
Yes, you do, buddy. I remember you.
Okay. Looks good. You having fun? That's good. I'll measure it in a moment.
Isaac says you.
Blake flexing.
That's me.
Man.
So much.
Good. Guns.
All the ladies are going.
You watch. End of the year in 9 months you'll be jacked. You'll be
Just
more
follow
more
Mr.
jacked.
Man's workout.
More jacked. Just follow my workout plan.
Of course.
Aww.
Good job.
Mr. Win.
Guys are working hard. I like it. Third place for now. For now. Oh, look at that smile.
You're not.
Look at these smiles. Perfect. How's it going back here, gentlemen? It's got potential. It's got potential. Yes. Oh my. Almost to the ceiling. All right, I'll measure that in a moment here. Stood for 10.
Keeps tilting.
That's gonna fall.
Okay, first place so far for the day, 117. Stretching all the way up, almost to the ceiling. It's amazing. Did you have fun?
Yes.
That's great. Good job.
If this were a kid, he'd probably be blind.
Good job, guys. Nice shirts.
And then take these things.
Locked in. Locked in. Good job, guys. Good group here. Good crew. How's it going, guys?
It's going good, but
Guys are locked in.
I am, but me and Gibby are, but I'm not sure about Wilson.
How's the president doing?
Good.
El Presidente.
Smile.
What'd you say?
I said smile for the picture.
Good job. Good smile. Good smile.
Wait, no, maybe I'll take off.
How's it going, guys? Good? All right, good. Good work. Good crew. Good crew. Good job, guys. Good start. Got a good start here. Doing good. Got a plan. Got a plan. Doing good. So a good start. You having fun?
Yeah.
Good start.
I thought it had to be ready. We need to have the support skills.
You're getting there, girls. Looking good. How's it going here?
Alright.
All right. I like your brown shirt. That's nice. Yeah, it's sharp. How you guys doing? Doing all right. Good. It's good. You got something. How you guys doing? It's getting there. It's getting there.
How are we going to
Listen to this guy. He's got an idea. Good.
take all of them together in the line and then fold all of them at the same time?
Good back there. Working good.
You can make a single line. Just make a structure and then just put it
Locked in.
Okay, we're going to take all
Locked
of these
in.
together and then fold them all at the same time and then stick them up.
But like, how are we gonna make it stand up?
You want to say something to YouTube?
Subscribe to Kids Win.
Attaboy.
Hey, thanks a lot. Yeah.
and slips and falls and slips and falls and slips and falls.
Good job, you guys. Looks good. You having fun?
Yes. So we're making little books.
Little books.
Well, do you want me to cut it in half?
This crew is dialed in.
Like this?
Dialed in.
They're my new eyebrows.
Hello.
That's going on YouTube, Morgan.
Dialed in. Hey, what do you want to say to YouTube?
What?
What do you want to say to YouTube?
Hi YouTube.
There you go.
I'm about to stop laughing. Rachel's new level. Miranda. How do you feel?
Little books. Little books. Little books. I like that. Oh, that's pretty cool. Look at that.
It's too big.
That's neat.
It's free. It's no longer.
Yeah, it's got to be free. It can't be leaning.
I promise you.
Yeah, it can't be.
It's
It can't be
standing. If you
against
take
that.
off this piece of tape, it's gonna stay.
How's it going back here? You guys are doing good?
Yeah.
I think I did it.
I like it.
We did it.
Look at that. What's that? That should count. Hanging it from the ceiling should count. Hey, if hanging it from the ceiling counted, you would be in first place. Look at this crew. First lab of the year. Yeah, hey, what do you call this tower?
Burj Khalifa.
It's hanging from the ceiling.
It touches the floor. It's just an
If that was legal, you would have a world record. It's just not. It's not exactly like sturdy.
It is.
Not real sturdy.